To determine if you have a narrow or regular PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Silicone Supreme wiper blade on a regular PTB arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grab the end, rotate up, and pull away. Locate the packaged adapter labeled A. Align the A adapter so that the arrow on top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Insert the front of the A adapter into the slot in the base. The adapter should catch. Press firmly until it locks into place with a click. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Tilt the adapter forward and hold down. Slide into the opening of the wiper arm until you hear a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Silicone Supreme.